Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're just going to see about a unique Android launcher setup like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the Chroma Fusion launcher themes from the Play Store first. So this is a super minimal looked launcher. You can find a super minimal widget on the top, followed by the weather widget and also the date, and then followed by the Google search widget and a super analog clock. And they have the app of the music player widget on the bottom with the apps icons are red and white themed, which is a beautiful minimal look which plays the minimal look on your home screen. In the second page you can find the multiple applications with the same white and red theme, which really mind-blowing. And the folders also follow the same theme set, which was a super detailed icon pack. And you can get this exact theme setup and also the app drawer also get the exact theme setup like white and red. So you can get this theme. Just go to the setting of this launcher, then you just need to click on the theme section and just need to click on the theme number 18 and just apply it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique.